In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a tax refund online in the UK. Navigating tax refunds can sometimes be a daunting task, but with the right guidance and understanding, it doesn't have to be. Let's simplify this process and empower you to confidently claim what you're entitled to. To start, you'll need access to an internet-enabled device. Your desktop, laptop, or even a smartphone or tablet will work. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this online process can require a little patience. Now, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official UK government website. This is where you'll be doing all of your official business today. Once you're on the official government site, search for Claim a Tax Refund. Alternatively, you can find this service under the tax section, typically labeled under Personal Tax Services. Click the link to proceed to the Tax Refund section. This is where the actual claiming process begins. Next, you will need to log in. If you've used online government services before, you might already have a government gateway account. Simply enter your login details and proceed. If this is your first time, don't worry. You'll need to create a new account, which is a straightforward process. The website will guide you through setting up your user ID and password. Be sure to note these down in a secure place. You'll need them each time you log in. Logging in or setting up your account will bring you to your personal tax account. From here, look for a section or tab specifically about claiming tax refunds. The wording might vary slightly, but anything mentioning tax refunds or overpaid tax should lead you in the right direction. Before starting your claim, gather all relevant financial information from the tax year you're claiming for. This might include payslips, P60 or P45 forms, and other work-related reimbursement documents. Having accurate figures will streamline your claim and prevent delays. With all your documents ready, you'll be prompted to fill out a form detailing your income and tax details for the year. Although forms can sometimes feel tedious, remember this is simply a way to accurately assess your refund. Enter all required information carefully, and double-check your entries to minimize errors. Once completed, review your form one final time. Any mistakes can slow the process or even halt your claim. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, submit your application. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation message that acknowledges your claim. Keep this confirmation for your records, either as a printout or saved digitally. The government's processing times can vary, so check back on the website or your account for updates regarding your refund status. And that wraps up our guide on claiming a tax refund online in the UK. Remember, staying organized and being thorough during the process is key. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.